And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, some Jamaicans are experiencing post-traumatic stress disorder after another day of aftershocks on Sunday.
An expert lamenting fake news around earthquakes make the situation worse.
And as Giovanni Dennis reports, Jamaica is being urged to prepare for another major earthquake.
The sheer fright and chaos of the earthquake on October 30 is still fresh in the minds of some Jamaicans. Malik is a student at the University of the West Indies.
I was in the social sciences study room, to be exact, when the earthquake took place. I didn't look where I was going, and I ran into the wall and fell. Now, ever since, with the reoccurrence of the different earthquakes, obviously weaker, I may be suffering from some symptoms of PTSD, given the fact that sometimes I imagine, the place shaking, and it does feel real.
He's not alone. Shirley's migraine was in remission for several years and has returned since the earthquake and aftershocks.
Just getting nervous, your body feel like it shock your nerves.
Right, and the
simplest thing, you're looking round, your body just shake. A vehicle pass, your body shake,
right.
your headspace not there.
It's traumatic, I should say. I can't deal with it. I'm trying my best.
But coping is increasingly difficult. 2 more tremors were felt on Sunday. The earthquake unit reports a 3.8 magnitude quake was felt at 2:06 p.m. in eastern parishes and a 3.2 magnitude at 8:40 p.m. On November 28, there was a 4.2 magnitude quake following the 5.6 major quake on October 30. There have been hundreds of tremors since, and according to sedimentary geologist Professor Simon Mitchell, this is unprecedented.
So really, no, we haven't experienced that. We have not experienced this sort of aftershocks after a reasonably significant earthquake because we haven't had them.
He says there may be more small tremors before the year ends, but Professor Mitchell is concerned that a larger quake may be on the horizon.
I think that we have to prepare for something major, and before this I would have said that, and now this has happened, I will still say that. The reason I'm concerned, and let me put it like this, is that we saw a series of earthquakes in Haiti. Now we're getting something happening in Jamaica on the same fault zone. The bigger one we got here was off that fault zone, but I think that's just because the stress was applied that way. Now, the question is the stress going further, and could we see something on one of the big faults that goes further west in Jamaica? That would be my concern.
With that possibility in mind, fake news around earthquakes is harmful, he laments, noting it's one of the ills of social media. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.